Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to clear all emergency information on itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, here in your itel S15 mobile phone, you'll have to do is go to settings. In settings, scroll down and go to user and account. Okay, tap this. Here in account, okay, in user and account, scroll down again. And below, you can see the emergency information. Okay, tap this. You can see all the emergency information here, the medical information, and the emergency contact. So okay guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to clear all emergency information on your itel S15 mobile phone. Okay guys, you'll have to do is tap the three dot on the upper right side on your screen. And the pop-up bar show, okay, you can see the clear all. You'll have to do is tap the clear all. And another pop-up, okay, clear all information and contacts. So okay, you'll have to do is tap the clear button. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully clear all emergency information on itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.